Namaskar. Hair loss or hair thinning is a growing concern both for men as well as women. Every day you will lose certain amount of hair, but that is quite common. There is no reason to feel concerned about few hair falling. But when you start seeing many strands or some strands on your pillow cover or even bunch of hair on your fingers when you try to care for your strands, then it definitely causes distress and worry. There could be many causes of hair loss, which includes dietary choices, nutrient deficiencies, medications, underlying medical conditions, stress, pollution, and genetics. Another reason for hair fall in men could be putting on cap, hat, or helmet for a very long time. Today, I am going to share a holistic approach that will definitely stop your hair fall problem and would promote new hair growth. Number 1, homemade packs to control hair fall problem. Homemade packs are one of the most effective ways to improve texture. It strengthens the follicles and attain gorgeous thick hair because the ingredients are natural and chemical free. They help to prevent hair loss and increase hair volume. The first hair pack could be avocado and banana pack. That will moisturize and nourish frizzy hair. Avocados are high in vitamin E, whereas bananas are loaded with potassium, natural oils, carbohydrate, and vitamins. All of it help to prevent hair breakage. Let's understand the method. Take one medium-sized ripe avocado and one small ripe banana. Smash them nicely using spoon or fork. Next, add 1 tablespoonful of olive oil to this paste. Mix this paste nicely and now massage your paste on the head in a circular motion, covering the roots and tips. After 30 to 40 minutes, rinse your hair with lukewarm water and use mild shampoo. Another amazing hair pack, and that is Amla, Shikakai and coconut oil pack. This pack will help in preventing hair fall and getting thick hair. Amla and Shikakai are widely used in Indian home remedies and in Ayurveda. Amla is rich in vitamin C, antioxidant and flavonoids. This really helps to promote hair growth. Shikakai helps to strengthen hair roots, and coconut oil nourishes each hair follicle, which would prevent breakage. In a pan, take 1 tablespoonful of amla powder and 1 tablespoonful of shikakai powder. Now add 2 tablespoonful of coconut oil and heat them on a medium flame. Once boiled, strain and transfer the oil in a bowl and let it come to lukewarm temperature. Massage this oil into your scalp and wash your hair after an hour or the next morning with cold or lukewarm water with mild shampoo. Second point, best oil for strong hair. A warm hair oil massage is very common tradition. This tradition is followed in our generations from centuries. Bhringraj oil is one of the best oil to prevent hair fall. It improves blood flow to the roots by increasing the vasodilatation process and stimulates hair growth by activating hair follicles. The herb also contains several minerals and vitamins that aid to prevent split ends, hair loss, and breakages. Stress is one of the most common reasons for hair loss. Bhringraj oil has a relaxing effect that helps to de-stress you. Before you massage the oil onto the scalp, first lukewarm it, and this will help in deep penetration into the scalp. Gently massage this warm oil for 15 minutes in a circular motion and leave it in the hair for 30 minutes or overnight. Later, wash it off with a mild shampoo. Third, hair fall reduction concoction. The food we eat has an impact on the entire system, including organ function, blood flow, nervous system, metabolic rate, and so on. As a result, it will definitely have an impact on hair follicles. To see a visible hair fall reduction result, try this nutritious concoction and get a thick hair. Now let's understand how to make this concoction. Take one medium sized beetroot boiled and chopped into pieces, one small carrot washed, peeled and chopped, two small apples peeled and chopped, one small cucumber peeled and chopped, and one small piece of ginger. Blend all these ingredients to form a thick juice. Drink it twice a week. This juice will supply you with all the essential nutrients, which will help improving the health of your hair. If you continue to eat a lot of unhealthy food, your hair will lack sufficient nutrients and become dull and prone to breaking. Split ends, rough texture, and hair loss, these are all symptoms that requires internal remedy. Your diet has to be rich in protein, iron, vitamin C, omega-3 fatty acids, biotin, vitamin A and vitamin E. Each of these nutrients are essential for hair growth, nourishing hair cells and enhance the quality of your hair. So, include kiwi, oranges, avocados, spinach or other leafy vegetables, nuts and seeds, whole grains, carrots, flax seeds, and quinoa in your regular diet. Now understand asanas for hair growth. Yoga asanas are excellent techniques to promote hair growth. Many students who are regularly practicing asanas have come to me to tell how their hair also are growing so well. They have noticed that the quality of their hair also has improved. Asanas, especially forward bending and inversion asanas, enhance the blood circulation in the head region. This nourishes and strengthens the follicles of the hair. The roots become stronger and the scalp becomes healthier, all of which prevents hair fall and promotes new hair growth. If you want to see results, then practice these asanas. Asanas are Hastpadasana, Yoga Mudra, Paschimottanasana, Viprit Karni, and Sarvangasana. Regular practice of these asanas can help to prevent premature graying of hair. So to have all these benefits, person has to practice these asanas regularly. So these are the few best tips to take complete care of your hair and to increase the good volume and bounce back in your hair. Learn to manage stress very well, because that is the main cause of all the problems and even the problem of hair fall, thinning of hair and so on. So try and learn how to work without stress. Any work you could do with stress or without stress. You have to learn to work without stress and you will be able to manage your life very well. You will be able to manage all the problems very well. So apart from all these suggestions which we have given you, how to live life stress-free is something which you have to work upon. Take care, try and learn to live positively and happily. Don't worry if you hair fall, new will come. Usually we have noticed that when immature growth is there, when premature graying is there, then by attending to all these things, those grey hair, they fall off. And the new fresh hair which come would be again nice, black, healthy hair. So you will notice all these things, but just take care of yourself. Take charge and look after yourself. Namaskar.